The hallmark of great leadership are leaders who make tough decisions in difficult circumstances. Your Excellency, we must be very candid, and along the way, under your leadership, have a candid discussion about state corporations that are a drain to the economy and add nothing to the country. Whether it is wise for their continued existence. I think, Your Excellency, you will be that leader who will lead that conversation and make hard decisions.
Our expenditure is what has driven us to where we are today. So we must cut down on our expenditure. We must rationalize. We must make it much more efficient. We must deal firmly and decisively with pilferage and wastage and theft and the so evident corruption. We must firmly and decisively deal with it. It is the only way we are going to deliver the services that the people of Kenya expect of us, manage their taxes well, cut down on expenditure, reduce on borrowing. Those institutions that are making losses, they have no plan, they have no intention of doing anything. Please, we will shut them down. We will get the employees to go and work somewhere else. And we just stop making the losses. At least we will stop making the losses. And I want some of those institutions to volunteer. Because if you don't volunteer, some of them should tell us, hii institution yetu tafadhali fungeni, sisi tutafutie kazi mahali ingine, tuende tufanye, alafu ndio Wakenya wawache kupoteza pesa zao. I mean, it's just, we have to be honest, good people. We have to be honest with ourselves. You know? And I want to tell you this. By God's grace, I am president today. And I did not become president so that I fill up the position or earn the salary. No. That's not why I'm president. We must change our country.